Advice I ever got. Well, I think the physics training is a very good training, where it's a good framework for reasoning, where you're trained to think about first principles and reason from there, and that means boiling things down to the most fundamental truths, and then connecting those truths in a way to try to understand how reality is. Because physics has this problem where they're trying to figure out things that are totally counterintuitive, and so they had to have a framework for getting there. Like quantum mechanics is incredibly counterintuitive, but it's true. And so so physics developed a framework for figuring out things that aren't obvious, and that's why I think it's a lot of advice, but it's the right framework. And then just in general, critical thinking is good. Examining whether you have the correct axioms, are the most applicable axioms, does the logic necessarily connect, and then what are the range of probable outcomes? Outcomes are usually not deterministic; they're a range, and so you want to figure out what those probabilities are, and make sure, ideally, that you're the house. It's fine to take. It's fine to gamble so long as you're the house.
Yes.
And a subset of that is to listen to critical feedback, which you alluded to earlier. Always solicit critical feedback, particularly from friends, because generally they will be thinking it, but they won't tell you.
Yeah.